Hey guys, Glena, your Galveston County Realtor here, and today I am actually excited to break down 2022, 2023, and give you some insight on the 2024 real estate market in Houston, Texas. What's up, everybody? Again, my name is Glena Bagby. I am your Galveston County Realtor with EXP, and make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And I am just super excited to dive into this market, give you guys a little bit of insight on what's been going on the last couple years and what we can expect to come in this year ahead. So just keeping it completely upfront and real with you guys, 2023, we did see a little bit of disruptions to our Houston housing market, as well as in 2022. Based on prior years before. And honestly, it just comes down to economic forces. It's not something that singled out the Houston market. It's something that, markets all over the world experienced with declining sales and things over the last 2 years. We have had a little bit more inventory on the market than in years prior, as well as a little bit of moderation in pricing. And ultimately, this all just comes down to mortgage interest rates. They had soared to a 20-year high. And so that did force a lot of people who was wanting to purchase a new home over the last year or two into the rental market, or staying in their current situation, and holding on to the interest rate that they already had. Sales of all property types in general fell 13% from 2022. Total dollar volume dropped from 12.6% down to about 40 billion in comparison to the 45.6 billion in 2022. December of 2023, the total single family home sales was down 6.2% in comparison to previous years. However, the average home sold in the area remained the same at 408,000, as well as the median home remained the same at 330. In other news, we did get a few, a little bit more monthly inventory. So we expanded from about 2.6 months supply of homes to 3.3. So that's a good, healthy amount. The days on market actually went from about 57 days on market to 56. And then overall, townhome and condo sales have unfortunately also been declining. Last year, it did decline about 7% year over year. All right, guys, so here is a snapshot that just kind of shows you from 2022 to 2023. You can just see there, the total property sales was 7,778 in December of 2022 versus 7,395 in December 2023. So, that unfortunately was a negative 4.9% change. So, it did go down. Total dollar volume also had a decrease. Total number of active listings went up. Again, that goes back into the supply and month inventory. Single family home sales, as mentioned, went down 6.2%. The average sales price, again, stayed about the same. Median sales price stayed about the same. And then the single months inventory did go up. So that's good news. So right now, as you can see, it's showing that there was 4,997 single family pending sales in December of 2022 versus 5,723 single family pending sales. So there is a little bit of increase there, 14.5%. So that is great as well. All right, guys, so for 2024, let's talk about a little glimpse of hope and the ray of excitement. It does seem like interest rates are going to start leveling out. And here in the Houston market in particular, we are definitely going to experience continued population growth, which will obviously lead to more demand for housing. So there is a rise in new construction in the Houston area, believe it or not. You'd think we ran out of space by now, but there is still so much happening that, of course, makes it a great market for 2024, as well as the fact that we emphasize so much on energy efficiency. We do have people that are fleeing to the Houston area just based on the energy efficiency and sustainability that Houston's able to offer. Other than that, just the fact that we're focusing on revitalizing so many neighborhoods, so many suburbs and things like that, it is creating more housing and more of a demand in certain neighborhoods, and giving flexibility for pricing and things like that. Overall, of course, you know, 2022 and 23 was not exactly what we wanted to see in our market. However, with the forces that's happening in the economy right now, I think it was to be expected. So it really wasn't a big surprise. And overall, we did still do pretty well in the Houston market. However, I do think 2024 is going to be looking a lot better for buyers and for sellers. So I think that pretty much wraps it up. If you plan on moving to the Houston market in 2024 or know anybody that could use this information, I would love for you or them to reach out. You can click below and book a call with me, and all of my direct contact information as well as other social media outlets are on there as well. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.